Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a welcome message in ManyChat in 2026. A welcome message is a great way to greet new visitors, introduce your business, and guide people to the right information automatically. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then select the Facebook page or Instagram account where you want to create the welcome message. Next, go to the automation section and open the welcome message or create a new flow that starts when a user begins a conversation. Yeah, this is where you'll set up your first automated greeting. Now type your welcome message. Keep it friendly, introduce your business, and let users know how you can help them. You can also add buttons or quick replies so people can easily choose what they need. After that, customize the conversation by adding follow-up messages, links, images, or actions based on the option each user selects. This makes the experience more interactive and helpful. Finally, test the welcome message by sending a message to your connected Facebook page or Instagram account. Once everything looks good, publish the automation so it starts greeting new visitors automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a welcome message in ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.